Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're getting into something really foundational, those essential English phrases you hear constantly.
Exactly. The ones that really are the building blocks for, just talking to people day to day.
Right. There are tons of phrases out there, obviously, but mastering a core set, that can seriously boost your confidence.
Absolutely. And it helps you understand what's going on around you much faster. So our plan is to really dig into these, not just list them off.
Yeah, get a feel for how they're used, the context, the little nuances.
Precisely. So where should we start? Greetings seem like the natural place.
Definitely. Let's kick off with the absolute classic hello. It's kind of your all-purpose starter, right?
It really is. You can use it almost anywhere, like answering the phone, hello.
Or seeing someone you know, hello, just friendly, or maybe more formal. Hello, I'm checking in for my appointment.
hmm Then as the day starts, you've got good morning. Pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, you walk into the kitchen, good morning, coffee smells amazing.
Or at the office, good morning, team. Let's get started. It sets a positive tone for the start of the day.
You might even text it, like, good morning, hope you have a great day.
Then, lunchtime rolls around and it shifts to good afternoon.
Right. Maybe you hear an announcement, good afternoon, passengers. Or you bump into someone after lunch, good afternoon, how's the day going?
Exactly. Or just good afternoon. Did you have a good lunch? Simple connection.
And then later on, good evening.
Yeah, arriving somewhere social. Good evening, lovely party.
Hmm.
Or checking into a hotel maybe. Good evening, I have a reservation.
We're just at home, good evening, what's for dinner?
Then there's the really informal one, mostly with friends. What's up?
Oh yeah, just a quick text, hey, what's up?
Or see a mate on the street. All right, what's up? Super
Oh.
casual.
Kind of like, what's new, or what's happening?
Pretty much.
Oh.
Okay, so that's saying hello. What about saying, well, the opposite, leaving?
Good point. Goodbye is the standard, quite polite.
Goodbye. Thank you for everything. Or, okay, goodbye. Talk soon.
If you know you'll see them again fairly quickly, maybe see you soon.
Right? Gotta run. See you soon.
Yeah.
Or finishing up this email. See you soon.
See you later is a bit more vague, maybe.
Yeah, doesn't promise when later is. Great catching up. See you later.
Or just heading out the door. All right, see you later.
And if it's definitely the next day, see you tomorrow.
Like leaving work. Okay, files on your desk. See you tomorrow.
Let's pick this up again. See you tomorrow. Clear and simple.
Then for bedtime, it's gotta be good night.
Yep. Good night. Sleep well. Or leaving a friend's house late. Good night, everyone.
And the super common informal one is just bye.
Oh, yeah. Ending a call. Okay, bye. Or thanks again, bye. Quick and easy.
Okay, so we've covered hellos and goodbyes. What about introductions? Meeting people for the first time.
Crucial stuff. A slightly more formal way is I am pleased to meet you. Often follows the name, right?
Yeah. Someone says, hi, I'm Sarah. You'd say, hello, Sarah, I am pleased to meet you. Sounds quite nice.
It does. But the basic question is just, what's your name?
Right. At a party, maybe, excuse me, what's your name?
And the answer is, naturally, my name is.
Right.
Like, my name is Alex.
And sometimes you need the last name, too. So what's your last name?
My last name is Chen. Straightforward.
And a really important one. After someone helps you or thanks you, you're welcome.
Oh, definitely. Someone says, thanks for the coffee. You reply, you're welcome.
Or, thank you so much for your advice. You're welcome. Happy to help. It's polite.
Very. Okay, what about checking in on someone? Their well-being.
Yes. How are you doing? The absolute standard.
And the standard reply, I am fine.
Hi, Chris. How are you doing? I'm fine, thanks. How about you? It's almost like a script sometimes.
It is. But what if you're not fine?
Then you might need to say, actually, I don't feel well.
Right. Like, sorry, I have to cancel, I don't feel well. Or, I think I'm coming down with something, I don't feel well. Honesty is good there.
And showing gratitude. Thank you so much. That feels a bit stronger than just thanks.
It does. Like, if someone really helped you out of a jam, thank you so much, I couldn't have done it without you.
Or for a really nice present. Oh, wow, thank you so much.
Yeah, and a bit more specific. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, thanks for your help carrying these. Or thanks for your help explaining that formula. Acknowledges the specific action.
Okay, moving on slightly. How do we talk about things we, well, want or need?
Good one. The basic structure is, I want to.
I want to order pizza tonight.
Yeah.
Or I want to learn Spanish. Expresses a desire.
And then I need, which feels a bit more essential.
Definitely, I need to go to the bank. Or it's freezing, I need a warmer coat.
Mm,
It implies necessity.
makes sense. And specific needs like hunger and thirst.
Yep. You'd ask, are you thirsty?
And the answer, yes, I am thirsty, or maybe, no, I'm okay for now, thanks.
Similarly, are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry. What time is lunch? Or if you're really hungry.
I am starving. We use that a lot, maybe exaggerating slightly.
Yeah. Or the negative, no, I'm not hungry, I just ate.
I'm not thirsty either, thanks.
And offering help. Do you need help?
Simple and direct. Looks like you're struggling. Do you need help with that?
And the answer could be, oh, yes, please, I need help. Or, no, thanks, I've got it.
And entering someone's space, like an office or room, politeness is key. May I come in?
Right. Knock, knock. May I come in?
And the response, hopefully, yes, please come in. Or just come in.
May I come in? Sorry to interrupt. Of course, please come in.
You are listening to Mastering Flawless English.
All right, let's switch gears to asking questions. This is huge. Probably the most basic is about time, right? What time is it?
Absolutely essential. Ask anyone, excuse me, what time is it?
Or just wondering to yourself, what time is it? Am I late?
And identifying things. What is this?
Pointing at some weird gadget. What is this? Never seen one before. Or some strange food at a market. What is this called?
And for people, who are you? Can sound a bit abrupt, maybe.
Yeah, it depends on context. Security might ask, who are you? Can I help you? Or if a stranger knocks, who are you?
Asking age. How old are you? Usually okay in casual chat, maybe not the first question.
Right. So how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
And origin. Which country are you from?
Nice way to ask about someone's background, especially if you notice an accent. Your accent is lovely. Which country are you from?
And if you didn't catch something,
Sorry, what did you say? Essential in noisy places.
or someone speaks too quickly, excuse me, what did you say? Could you slow down a bit?
Asking about feelings. Like fear. Are you afraid?
Maybe before a roller coaster, are you afraid of heights? Or watching a scary movie, are you afraid? It's pretty tense.
Or tiredness. Are you tired?
Seeing someone yawning, long day, are you tired? Or after exercise, phew, I'm wiped. Are you tired?
Happiness. Are you happy?
Seeing a friend beaming, you look pleased, are you happy about something? Or maybe after good news, congratulations, are you happy?
Readiness. Are you ready?
Before starting anything, really. Okay, team, are you ready to present? Or heading out? Got your keys? Are you ready?
If something weird is happening, what's going on?
Hearing sirens, whoa, what's going on outside? Or seeing people gather, what's going on over there?
Asking the day. What day is it today? Happens all the time after a holiday.
Totally. Ugh, Monday already. What day is it today?
Future plans. What will you do tomorrow?
Making plans with someone. I'm free. What will you do tomorrow? Want to grab lunch?
Or intentions. What do you want to do?
On a weekend? Okay, kids, what do you want to do today? Or trying to decide on an activity. So what do you want to do?
Weather. Always important. What's the weather like?
Before getting dressed, what's the weather like? Should I take an umbrella?
Asking for suggestions. What do you recommend?
In a restaurant? It all looks good. What do you recommend? Or asking for a movie suggestion? Seen anything good lately? What do you recommend?
Prompting someone who looks like they want to ask something. What's your question?
Yeah, after talk. Any questions? Yes. What's your question?
Price. How much does it cost? The eternal question when shopping.
Pointing at something. Excuse me. How much does this cost?
Finding out about an event. What happened?
Seeing emergency services. Oh no, what happened? Or if you missed something, I just got back, what happened?
Job. Where do you work? Standard small talk.
Yeah. Getting to know someone? That sounds interesting. Where do you work?
Reasons for emotions like sadness. Why are you crying? Gently, of course.
Seeing a friend upset. Hey, what's wrong? Why are you crying?
Preferences. Who is your favorite actor? Or who is your favorite writer? Good conversation starters.
Definitely. Talking about movies, who's your favorite actor currently?
Location info. What's your address? Or where do you live now? Needed for practical reasons, usually.
Filling out forms or catching up with someone. So, where do you live now?
Understanding someone's knowledge. How do you know?
If someone states a surprising fact. Really? How do you know that?
Contact info. What's your phone number? Standard for exchanging details.
Nice meeting you. What's your phone number? Let's keep in touch.
Recent activities. What did you buy? Or what else did you buy? When someone's been shopping.
Nice haul. What did you buy? Not just groceries. What else did you buy?
Basic preferences. What's your favorite color? Simple, often asked of kids, but adults too.
Ownership. Whose book is this? Finding something left behind.
Daily routine questions. What time do you wake up? And what do you do in the morning?
Just general curiosity about habits. So, what time do you usually wake up, and then what do you do in the morning?
Basic requests. Can you turn on the light or can you turn off the TV?
Very common household phrases. It's dark, can you turn on the light? Need some quiet, can you turn off the radio?
Asking about movement. Where are you going?
Seeing someone leaving, hey, where are you going? Or getting in a taxi, where are you going? Airport, please?
Asking for directions to places. Where's the hotel? Where's the nearest subway station?
Essential for tourists or anyone in a new place. Excuse me, where's the bookstore? Sorry, where's the cab stand?
Reflecting on the day. What did you do today?
Common question in the evening. So how was your day? What did you do today?
Phew. That's a lot of questions,
Yeah.
but so useful.
Absolutely. Now let's shift to expressing emotions and feelings directly. Like missing someone. I miss you a lot.
Yeah, you'd say that to someone far away, thinking of you. I miss you a lot.
Or standard celebratory phrases, happy birthday, happy new year, Merry Christmas. We all know those.
Compliments. You
Yeah.
are awesome when someone does something great.
Or strong affection, I love you so much. And the opposite may be less common to say directly, I don't love you.
A milder version is, I like you.
Expressing your own state. I am very happy. Or I am very sad.
Physical states too. I'm very tired. I am sleepy.
Worry, I am very worried about the test. Pride, well done, I am proud of you. Gratitude, for everything you've done, I am grateful.
Reacting to news, that's wonderful for good news.
That's unbelievable. For something surprising, maybe good or bad.
And if something is just plain odd, it's so weird.
Understanding is key too. I understand, shows comprehension.
I don't understand. Signals you need clarification. Super important.
Saying you already know something,
Oh.
I know.
Yeah.
Or admitting you don't, I don't know. Very common.
Expressing belief or trust. I believe you. I trust you. Important for relationships.
Okay, let's quickly touch on instructions or commands.
Mm.
Basic ones.
Like, hold on a minute or wait here. Telling someone to pause.
Calm down if someone is agitated. Hurry up if you're late.
Listen to me to get attention. Don't worry to reassure someone.
Asking someone to adjust their speech. Speak more slowly. Or speak up.
Simple actions. Open the door, close the window, call me back.
Polite requests. Please stand up. Please sit down.
Prohibitions, don't talk. Commands, please listen. Come here, wait for me.
Serious ones. Tell me the truth. Safety. Be careful. Take care of yourself. Emergency. Call the police. Or call the ambulance.
Directions, keep going straight, turn left, turn right, please stop here. Very useful for navigation.
And agreeing or disagreeing. Pretty fundamental.
I agree with you. Or the opposite, I disagree.
Confirming someone's point. You are right. Or correcting them. You are wrong. Can be direct.
Enthusiastic agreement. Of course. Or willingness. Why not?
Okay, that covers a lot of ground. There are, of course, hundreds of other useful phrases for specific situations.
Yeah, like long time no see when you meet someone after ages.
Or saying, it's my birthday today. Sharing personal news.
Explaining your situation. I am very busy or I'm in a hurry.
Apologizing. I apologize. Offering well wishes. Have a nice weekend. Or have a nice trip.
Talking about work. I work in a hospital. Or location. Where do you live now? We touched on that.
Health. I have a cold. Or I have a fever. And wishing someone recovery. Get well soon.
Daily routines again. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I'm going to bed.
Simple statements. It's very hot today. Or it's raining.
Asking for confirmation. Is that true? Expressing opinions. He's very smart.
Or she's lying.
Relationships. This is my friend. He's my brother. She's my wife. I am single. I am engaged. Do you have kids? I have 3 kids. General phrases. It doesn't matter. Take care of yourself. Let's go. Trust me. Good luck. Welcome back. Have fun. Excuse me, Sermon. Sorry to interrupt. Forgive me.
Shopping. I went shopping. I bought new clothes. Cost again. It costs $100. Opinion. It's too expensive.
There are just so many, but the ones we focused on are really the core you'll use again and again.
Exactly. Think of them as your starter kit for fluent communication.
So as you keep learning and expanding your English, really focus on using these fundamental phrases. Listen for them, practice saying them. It makes a huge difference.
It really does. Consistent use and just, getting comfortable with them will naturally boost your fluency and your confidence.
Absolutely. And if you found this deep dive helpful today,
Please do consider subscribing to Mastering Flawless English. Give us a like, and maybe share this video with others who might benefit.
Yeah, your support really helps us reach more people on YouTube and keep making these guides.
Thanks so much for tuning in.